Hello, viewers. Thank you. Raw Outdoors and more. We're out overnight. I guess we call it camping, bivouacking, rehydrating. Thank you. Let's check out the area here. Here's where we're near tonight, viewers. As always, when we're out in the Ozarks, there's always a down. Check out this ancient tree. How many stories could it tell? I don't see any green on it. It's lived its very long lifetime. Alrighty, as we move away from the river, over here in the shade, that's our air mattress and tarp, and we treated everything with parithium, even the ground here. A must-have in Missouri. We have a bad tick problem. Kind of a cool spot we picked out, somebody's old camping area, big whack, bushcrafting, maybe the way it looks. Oh yeah, we're not going to stay in it. We're going to use the fire pit. We're going to cook in this video, and we got the deer cart, cold steel blowgun, and we got time, staying all night. Give you a quick look at their fireplace they left us. I believe there's bushcrafters and a small person at that. They left some trash around, I got it picked up. Viewers, I know this video phone don't do very good justice, but this is an awesome place. This is not far either. I mean, within 10 yards. Oh yeah, a long way down to the river. Sun's out here now. Got us a nice little fire for warming up some dinner on. Got the water jug close just in case. It's not real dry, but we're going to be real careful and not have a very large fire. Got this little floral pack we're going to throw in there. Yeah, worked up a little bit of sweat building that fire. It'll cool off good tonight. Be good Ozark Mountain sleeping for all. Maybe, you never know. Always rehydrating. Alright. Dinner's about done. Maybe a little hot to eat, but I'm ready to eat. Well, viewers, this is what Raw's having for dinner. This was a leftover pork chop from grilled yesterday. I added some apple and butter, salt and pepper, a little bit of brown sugar, some peaches if I feel like I haven't got enough, and a cool bottle of cold water. Well, that's what's going on Raw Outdoors and More. We may get out the seat when it cools off with the cold steel blowgun. Pretty hot. Stay tuned.